Hey guys, this is just going to be a short little role play. It's not going to be long or anything. I'm just going to show you a little bit of the truck. It's a massive dump truck. It cost $1,000,000. This is what it looks like. I'm going to throttle it a little bit. We're going to be driving around acting like we're a construction worker driving a dump truck. So we're going to take a right here. Yeah, we're going to take a right. We're going to turn around from here just to make it... Oh, this is I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna hit it, definitely. Yep, script. Crap. Alright. We're gonna drive over here, do a small U-turn, and then we're gonna start... constructing. We're gonna dump all this gravel out in the massive pile. So, we're gonna back up in here slowly. Okay, not get them mad. Alright. Yeah. Alright, so we're dumping the truck. Alright, see you guys later, and have
Listen.